indoor shooting range in Kaukauna, and we are about to try and put a whole bunch of holes in these guys. Are you guys ready for this?
I just want to beat him.
Is it gonna sound like that just
It's gonna sound obnoxious like that. We're gonna put these little orange things in our ears. We got our sunglasses on. We're ready to
Sunglasses.
go. And you're gonna want to see all this video. So
Safety
stay tuned.
glasses.
with Rodger from Ed's Boat Sales and Outdoor Superstore. Why don't you show us, Rodger, what you got?
All right, guys. Today we've got a couple handguns out here. We've got the Glock 42 and the Glock 43 things. We'll start over here. We've got a tournament style 22.
Okay.
This is a long-range rifle for very accurate shooting. Here we've got an Armalite or an AR-15.
It's like something out of a movie.
This is actually carried in a lot of the movies today.
And Rodger, we're gonna shoot all these?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Here we go.
Did I hit it?
Yeah. No.
Whoa! Look at that!
Whoa!
That is.
Wait, pick it up.
That's, you hit it. That's doable.
Right in the forehead?
Yep. Did I get it? Not bad.
I don't
Very impressive. Did you hit it?
I don't care.
It doesn't matter. Very nice.